Today we're going to take a look at the Marvel Avengers Thor Heli ball. It's a real beauty. I got it for $5 at Five Below. You know, Five Below has all this kind of garbage. So here it is. This is what's in the box, and that. The charging cable. That's it. There's nothing else. There's no instructions. They're on the back of the box. To activate your hero, flip the switch on the back. Wave your hand under it to control it. Very simple stuff. Very easy. Just turn it on back here. And you probably get like 3-4 minutes with it. So let's go check it out. All right, guys. I'm out here with the Marvel Avengers Thor Heli ball. Now let's see if this is any better than the pterodactyl. No, it's not. Actually, it's worse than the pterodactyl. You know, these damn things. Okay, well, so far, the only one of these things I had that ever was any good was the Spider-Man. Okay, that was the only one I ever had that was worth a crap. It just doesn't spin enough to generate enough thrust. Goddamn turd. Here's the battery. It is a... I don't know. It doesn't... I don't know what. It's a piece of shit. Okay. See you later, Thor. Piece of dog crap. Adios. You can go down in there with the French fries. Yeah, get out of here with that thing.